Tell us a little bit about your business.
Oh, sure. So, my name is Josephine Geraci, and I am the founder of My Mom Knows Best. And we are the creator of the brand Glovies. We provide disposable gloves and disposable face masks for kids.
So before the pandemic shift workshop, how was business?
Well, I have to say, the pandemic has really taken my business to the next level. I have to tell you, I really put in many, many years in my business. So I was set for success because as soon as the pandemic hit, I was ready to go.
And not a lot of businesses can say that, and it's really great that you can say that. What is one thing you got out of the pandemic shift workshop that really resonated with you?
Well, you know what was amazing? I think it was a closeness that we felt among all of the participants in the pandemic shift.
Mm.
I think we created a connection to each mentor. We were all split up among three mentors, you being one,
Mhm.
Tom being the other, and John being the third. And, you know, all of the people that I have spoken to, all of the participants have said that they all created a special bond with not only the fellow participants, but also with the mentors. But the pandemic shift actually allowed us to work on our business as opposed to working in our business.
Mm.
And I've heard that phrase so much,
Mm.
but it was going through that 4-week program that allowed me to say on the days that I got overwhelmed, that I had so much going on with work, and I said, I have to figure this out. Well, guess what? I knew in the back of my head, Wednesday morning from 8:30 to 10, I was going to be with my pandemic shift group, and we were going to figure it out together. Was real feedback.
Mm.
It was participants. And if the participants didn't know the answer as to something I was working on, John the mentor chimed in right away.
If you had to say there was one thing that you're taking from the workshop and applying it because you just ended it, what would that be?
The very most important thing from the pandemic shift, especially since we were doing it during a pandemic, is that the importance of having a backup plan. It's funny, Stefan, how the pandemic shift can help each business in their different stages.
Mhm.
I
It's
think you
really
guys
true.
did a great job, really,
Thank you. Thank you.
really.
Thank you.